Good evening guys, it's Mrs. Tech Giant here, and tonight I'm going to be unboxing my new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in Burgundy. We're going to be taking it out of the box, having a look around the phone, seeing what it looks like and what it is compared to mine. I have got the Note 10 Plus. I've got that in the Oral Glow colour. As you can see, it's really nice. Seeing like if the size is any different or if it's thinner or thicker. Also, just thrown into the mix here, I'm going to be doing another video on the case that I've bought for it, which is the clear standing cover. Like I said, I will do it separately just to see what it looks like on the phone and see what the protection might be like on it and everything. That will be coming up in my next video. So let's get this out of the box. That colour looks nice already from what I can see of it. Let's take a look around it. It's quite a nice colour, isn't it? I don't know how well that's coming up on the camera there, but it looks pretty nice. Look at the cameras on the back there as compared to mine. Obviously, very different there. Should we do the unpeeling? Ready? So it's like a matte burgundy. It's shiny on the edges, if you can see that, but a matte burgundy on the back. And also, we obviously have our pen. Pop that out. It's a bit stiff there. There we go. So you have your black pen with your purple or burgundy, should I say? I'm going to keep calling it purple, I know I am, end on it. Feels quite nice because that's nice and matte and grippy as well, actually. I've just noticed putting it back in. I'm not going to take off this front cover because I like to have some kind of protection on there till I get a proper cover for it. So I'm just going to leave that on. Stops all my grubby hand marks going over it because I leave like greasy hand marks on my phones for some reason. I seem to have greasy hands constantly. I know my partner always complains about it. Right, let's have a look at it compared to mine. Just line it up so you can see it looks tiny little bit bigger. And also as well, the S Pen is to my left on the S22, and on my Note it's to the right. So that's a bit of a difference. Again, the speaker is the same. So it's basically the opposites to each other. I think they've just done that to change it up a little bit so it ain't all the same. Obviously, as I've already showed you, the camera difference on the back, quite a bit more bigger on that one. They stick out a lot on the S22. What else is different? Yes, the buttons. Obviously on my Note, it's to my left. On the S22, it's to the right, which is going to be a bit of a problem for me because I am actually left-handed. Right, so moving on, shall we turn the phone on? It's going to go through all this setup process, which I will skip through quickly as possible, not to bore you guys. Right, here we go, let's turn that brightness. So that looks really bright actually. I don't know if that's coming across on camera very well. It definitely does look a bit brighter on the apps than what mine is, with the same settings and everything. Photo. Right, so I've just taken a picture of our little thing in the window down there. So as you can see, one looks a little bit more pinky than the other. I'd say my Note is definitely more pinkier. Look on the wall in that. It's definitely more of a pink tone to that. That's like a cream wallpaper. The lighting in there is not going to do it any justice. I'd probably lifelike wise, I'd probably say the S22 is more better because it looks a little bit more the colour it does, which is a bit more shiny in that. That one again looks a bit pinky and mottled, I suppose. Like I said, I've got these, they aren't on full brightness. They're literally on 50% on the both of them. Let me know what you think, which one you like. Obviously, really, I would say, as much as they say it's the S range, it is still a Note. It's got a pen. I think they've just changed it up a little bit to make it sound different. Make it look like a bit newer, maybe get some more cells in, I don't know. But it's the same, it's just the opposite. Like I said, the camera will be better on it. Obviously, you've got your different colours and things like that. I've got my hand marks all over it now because I've been, we'll look at it. It's a nice colour, I do like it. And I'm sure you guys are aware, my partner's got one too. He's gone for the, I don't know if it was white or silver, I'm not too sure. If it's silver, it looks white. There's not much in the box here. Let's have a quick peek. Obviously, you get your sim tool. And what else we got in here? Quick start guide. And your cable. But that is literally your lot that you get for your money. It's quite a lot of money, I think, for a phone personally. But like I said, it's been 2.5 years since I've changed my phone, so I thought I'd spoil myself. I've got it on credit anyway, so I ain't got to pay it for a year. So sell me old one and then save up the rest of the money to finish off the purchase for that one. So anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please think about subscribing, because I want to hit that 1,000 subscribers soon, hopefully. I know my videos ain't great, but I'm trying to do it in my own way and try and build myself up the ladder and hopefully get a big channel one day, you never know. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.